Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Well. Welcome guys, welcome to another video. You know, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Thank you for watching Finalizing in Jamaica. Yes guys, I feel like an Arab today, you know. Today I feel like I am an Arab. So today guys, we're gonna buy up some stuff, you know, buy up some shopping for the Westmoreland relief. You know, so today's the day we're gonna get some more flowers, some rice, you know, sugar, cornmeal, get some things up as well to make some more care package with what we already have, you know, so we're not traveling light, you know. So that is the aim guys, and that is the plan for today, you know. So Esther would have a friend, you know, that know a friend, and get on shopping stuff, buying stuff in a bulk downtown at one of the supermarkets, you know. So that's where we're going to head today, you know, to get those things sorted out, so we don't get so we have a good price deal, you know, so we can have a good price deal today, guys. So that is the plan. So we are working, you know, with the budget that we have, and then now I literally have to go on. I'm gonna tap it off as well to put some more money on it, because we know we're gonna need more money and stuff. So I have to go literally put the money to start out the traveling, you know, to go down by Westmoreland as well too, you know, because trust me, in Jamaica things really got so expensive, so we have to be mindful as well too with that, you know. So we just work with the substantial amount of donation that we got, and then guys, you know, I have to go and I'm gonna add to that, you know, for giving back same way. So that's nothing, but trust me. But at least, you know, we're gonna be off the ground running, you know. Today's gonna be the shopping, you know. So Esther and Shayara did already start to bag out some of the stuff them already, that the flour and the rice that we got from the Kiwanis as well too, you know. So they already did bag that out, you know. So we're gonna get some more stuff as well too. I'm going to bag them out and make sure that everything is prepared and ready for us to leave. Because we want to leave Kingston so early as well too, because people been complaining, say, yo, listen, the traffic going there, you know, because of where they're fixing the roads and where the road is kind of black, you know, the traffic is kind of hectic. So we have to leave literally early, and we have to make sure so we leave there at that time, so we don't get caught up as well to coming back. So we don't know, we're gonna always make it work. Dream Team will make it work, you know. So we're coming from Kingston, you know, so it's different, you know, for others that's coming from a closer direction, you know, like for instance, they're coming from the countryside like Clarendon, or if you're coming from other side Portland, or you know, any other side, it's a bit more easier from them direction, I guess. You know, but we're gonna take the road on, you know, we're gonna make it work. So guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna head downtown and then go and buy what we can buy, and then get the ball rolling, so I can literally highlight you guys with what's going on really in that part of Westmoreland that I'm gonna be heading, you know, because I'm said Westmoreland is not the only place that's really in need of support, you know. You only can do one step at a time, you know. We cannot do so much at once, so we're taking it one step at a time, guys, you know. And then will everyone come together, we definitely can make it work. So you know, the thing about them's a dream team, we make it work, so we're going to make it work, guys. So blessed love and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're downtown, you know, we're down So final downtown over here with 30 grand.
Man, 30 grand is here again now. Oh, you see me I say, yeah man, big up on yourself man. All of my people them man. You see me I say, Q1 is Sunrise. You see me I say, yeah man, all of the fans them were out and I watch Akeynote live in Jamaica man. You see me I say, out in the street downtown man. You see me I say, so we're going to see what go on at the wholesale and the shop. You see me I say, that is it for the day.
Yeah man, twice man, you see me I say.
Not once.
Not once, but twice man, you see me. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Nurse them, you see me I say.
Yeah.
Blessed love, you know. New York City, twice man, there man. I do some shopping right now, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know, I have the journey for go up on Sunday, so I eat, you know, you see me I say. So, journey Sunday, you know. So we're up on the ground, that's what I go on.
Yeah. And we have Tara Peck here to assist us. Hello, we have Tara here. You know, Tara, she know the ground and she go walk. I make her know the link and things. So, and we have Esther over there parking up. Tara, how you doing, Tara?
I'm good, I'm good.
I'm good, guys. She's ready, you know. She's ready. Esther 30 grand, she ready?
Yeah man, she look at
Whoa, she ready?
Long time she ready, I'm beautiful, you know.
Yeah. So she ready for the road. Tara, you say you ready?
Ready.
So she said she ready. I'm saying I'm looking like an Arab today. And everything go. Because we're going to look food for the poor. You know, not for the poor, for the need. So, so I'm just like an Arab today because, today is business. So, Arab, they mean business, When you see me have on this, so whenever you see me have on this, just always remember that I mean business. So, this is not going to be a regular beat, or whenever you see me put this on, I mean business, and I really need business, Weird. Hello, how's it going? So we have, Esther is here. Over there we have Shakara. Yeah, we sure Tara. Tara. How sure we're going? What do you mean? We can't park in front of the vehicle. I'll just put them in. This is the right time. So guys, yeah man, so that's the mission. After Mr. Esther them said the link for the place to get it very cheap, right?
Yeah, cheap. And as we go we get through.
Yeah.
Set the link.
Yeah, that's what the link set. So this chain link cannot break.
Yeah, give the lady one name. So she either name that she knows that we.
Okay.
Right, Tara?
So Tara, the underground master, She know the underground links them,
We're gonna go set one link. Alright, this is our name for you. So when you come here, Miss Yvette.
Yeah. Alright then. So good luck. Imagine how town that's still have the hurricane pass downtown.
There would be a town.
Yeah. The light post them and everything.
You know how we would have still ever get light in there.
Trenchtown is even worse.
Yeah, brother.
I want a zinc that fly off roof and everything. Them like on bridge light. The amount of bridge light that go on if you have solar in Trenchtown.
And then tell her.
hot cup of tea, hot cup of soup, bottled water, natural juice and more.
West Queen Street.
They didn't know the last night 6 years ago when her mother.
Big up all the ladies in the building who have come support from early.
Check it out, man. I'm going on with this girl. Okay. So you know stay. Yeah, man. Good.
Miss Yvette. Wally Patty.
Miss Yvette, Dad?
Yeah.
Let me see her face. Okay, so she look like a lady.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
You want list? Alright.
Where you watch me do I should give you guys, none of these ladies have no pen.
Someone got put pen in the bag, yeah.
You know? The ladies that come to the brain work, they don't walk with no pen. Yo, so you know, I got switch on the job. Yo, the man them do the we do the brain work, them do the labor work.
Yeah.
Can you manage the labor work?
Yeah, give me labor work.
Alright, then just give me the paperwork. You work with the paper.
How much is that?
I know all chef must have a pen.
No. Yeah, pen?
Which must
I check on the phone.
One right.
Right, don't be more right.
All chef a search in pocket and they don't have a pen, you know. So guys, so alright, so this is the wholesale right here. You know, and I know the reason why downtown always cheaper because people have to pay for go uptown for go buy with the security. You know, looking at saying now security. Yeah, so them shop and bring it uptown, but you know uptown have to pay for security. That's why the price them have to up more because they get protected while they're in them supermarkets and them places. So when you're downtown, yeah, without security and without this and the hustle and the bustle. So
Yeah, man, you have your own risk sometimes.
yeah, see if you can't afford the hustle and the bustle, you have to go uptown where it's more secure and everything. But when you have to look down, no security. You know, so it's cheaper. But uptown now, you know the thing goes, you know. So we'll find a decent spot where when the boss, you know, he's gonna sample, she's gonna sample some stuff and bring it up so we
Are the party packs on the way out? Where they don't find me yet. Where the pumps up it? You put me to get something. Am I not here?
who don't know?
One who?
How is this?
One man hold it up. One man hold it up.
Okay, I can hold everything?
Well, that's all there.
Okay.
What you spend over this hour?
And everything on it.
I buy the Akeynote. One more on there?
How long will try to come out here?
Yeah, let's come start two trolley.
One
Turn the
up.
fan, let me do it. Hold on, show me.
When we're done, nothing left at all. Country get everything. I'm with them.
Guys, so here we have one trolley come out. This is one trolley, so we have another trolley to come out as well.
Sir. Oh, my chicken. See the flour and the crumb?
This? This?
Yeah. 350.
You want to bring this cross and go and load it?
No, Emmanuel, check out.
Oh, the check out.
Everything too. Voila, fireman, voila. You can't come to it, man.
No, go back forward.
Right, let's see my bush for the car. Go back here, down now.
Sugar cane.
Some salt, salt here.
You know, you have to clear it up, huh?
Yeah?
Cool on us, huh?
So guys, so basically we have another trolley coming out as well too. So we have to check out these first and then bring them, load them on the cart and then come back again for the next trolley of stuff. And then load them.
Just balance, alright? Second, just balance.
One of the trolley for push out.
All the way.
Country.
The next cat man there. Shout it to them.
So here's one of the carts. So guys, so we have the hard work in Jamaica and them. So this is the cart man. As I say, so you know, whenever you come town and you want this, the best policy, the honesty, you see me, I said, the man we can trustworthy with the groceries. This is the cart man. Let them see your face, them can know. Tell them what the eye name. Cool. And you always on Queen Street. So guys, so whenever you come down here, just when you see him face, you know, say yes, this is the car to take. You know, coolly. So guys, so we're working with 2 carts. So we have another trolley come out here. But they put them there on top of here, so we have another trolley come out.
The next guy come now, we'll go see. Next challenge.
Yes, I have a next year.
Ready.
Alright, see there. Fireman. And as I respect, yeah? Big up yourself. Heart of love. See the guys. Yeah, man, the man, I'm tired out of this. You know?
Yeah, man. Real, man.
Tired out of what you say, Benz?
Audi.
Audi at the front. So we have the Toyota, we have the Audi right here. So anyway, the thing goes.
I me make the Audi myself.
How you make it?
It's not a rent car, it's a my person.
Yeah. So you can make and sell car then. And the car to look strong. Yeah. Yeah, this definitely. So you know what?
And this one that
I make female. So this is all interest. You know? Interest. So the hard work when you put in, from those collect car finance, interest. Yeah. Because usually most man rent car for work with though.
Yeah, this man own them own a car, but most of them cars are rented.
Them rent them.
Certain man own them personal. All upon them. Come in, this is my best.
Eh? Run it. Yeah.
Only one brother upon the ground.
Yeah. So you will get all the cool juice. I mean, when the town always hot.
This a film personal. This a film one.
Same. I make it as well.
Yeah.
You make it too.
We are trade man in general.
Yeah.
I don't care alone. We do many jobs.
Yeah.
Construction. We clean out people place and get paid anything with the thing.
Yeah.
Not work what we can.
True.
Work what we can do it not make it.
A greatness, man, because we have a talent, so we have to always know, so you have to showcase it. And the man, them always trying. We don't sit down and loaf. Them not sit down and wait. They make sure say your ends up with meat and only just juice alone. The man have close them. See the shot.
You see it? We have a man in Cranberry.
Specialist.
You see that?
See that? They don't wait around.
What you like?
Catch it.
See there?
Catch it up with general.
Same way.
What you like?
I know some are Jamaicans every day. See, a good shots them guys.
500
And them material feel good.
Yes. 500
go on. The material feel good. But once it wash it now come out. See that? Once it wash it that's coming out. So check out the YouTube channel Akeynote Life in Jamaica, you know? Akeynote Life in Jamaica.
Jack Palace. Get the goods them. Take a shot at building. So take a shot at building. Know the spot.
So the spot is in front Jack
Palace. Man, West Queen Street, Jack Palace.
So once they come and you see the general them face and you say right there, so it's at the Trust Network corner. You know, say them youth are genuine and them trustful. Can't go wrong. You want cat, you want juice, just link the man them right there, so.
Right there.
And you want the gears, right here, so link the youth them, you know. Try and use.
One cloth store. Cloth store. Cloth store.
Your cloth store.
Different cloth store. Nice, prestige, soft, inexpensive. Nice wear, all cheap and in it.
I hear me. You go. Alright, so the next cat that come out here.
Yeah, man.
I'm general, Alright, so guys, so here's the next trolley coming out with the water and stuff.
Carry the box in. We'll carry the water.
Watch your box.
Remember I said we have rice out. So we want to balance the car.
Yeah, because we don't want to overweight for now.
Remember you have mackerel and stuff.
Oh, come make the bus. Don't put that thing back. Remember me. I said don't put that. Remember me.
Remember you?
You know how it is.
Remember you, man. We can't forget you.
Don't put it back.
Don't worry yourself, man.
I imagine I right back.
No, what do you do with boss? With your family?
Alright.
No, friend.
That's what I love.
Yeah, what do you do with boss? What family what do you with?
No boss.
I have a swat.
This good, yeah? Let's see what I can get in. Yeah. So guys, so we lock and we load the car, them load. You know. Cause you carry the inner the car park, you know. You can push it in there? How would okay.
Ready now?
Ready now. Ready now. Okay, so we're going to enter the vehicle. Wow. Come here, wow. Yeah, okay. What? Help him that.
Everybody want to meet me back. Happy see you on a song jump.
One Babet.
That man reach it up. Why do you got me?
Don't it?
And then 3 VV we have. Up on the next school when we reach with the key. What fly that back then? Can go and put some in that one.
You want to put some of them back there?
Oh, still there, man. They're here. Can drop when I see this.
Yeah, man, can drop on it.
So we have 3 vehicles working with. What a big back space. 3 vehicles with big bag. What a bed in here.
What may I tell you?
Is that bed?
Just to cut the mattress. Take what one for you.
No, that's another bed in here.
That
Whoa.
bed that.
Can sleep in this. Can camp out.
Let me see your one. You're a big two man.
Camp out. I never take out my tire. Tire vehicle here as well.
I tell you to pick up my rubbish on Wednesday, don't you know?
Yeah.
No more rubbish.
I put the water in first, and then I put the rice and the flour on the wheel. So I balance the weight of the car, right?
Yeah.
I get the flour and it's all money. Creative. Not a creative.
Not chosen.
Trade. May I take flour and I have the mat this so. Give me the rice. Yeah, the rice.
Put the rice over here.
Give me the flour. Give me the mat.
Let's finish it.
You not can't get it, girl? Yes, ma'am. Look me.
Come over there, can I come over here to you?
Right.
Don't you remember saying I'm not carrier saying no, so nobody force up.
Yeah, man, you're so good. You're so good. You can drop
No man, just put me let me stay flat so I can see. Me now I can see. Put me in my bag. Drop that down to around that so come in and see.
that wood.
Yeah man, so I'm going to stay open so you can see that bro.
Wait a minute, let me put the flour. Let's put that there. Let's put that one there.
So what, come in?
Yeah.
Still good. Touch me, hope you do and fix it on it. And they made the light stuff. Which one? This? Yeah, on your spear.
She was still like when you can share lights.
Yeah. You should get the light one then. Oh god.
My car not getting a ribbon. I know my car not getting a
Oh, put this over here, sir.
I go think a front shocks more than that box.
I know my car not getting no wear and tear, no you know?
Yeah?
I know my car not getting no wear. You get wear but you're not getting a tear. You pick?
Eh.
You want some ear though?
Yeah. I have to stop. I'm gonna get ear but them cover it. You know here and there cover too.
We have to look. Are you there?
I gotta know.
Alright. I the exact where was here?
No, because me have it in my mind. It's the answer say yeah, we're gonna work hard, you know?
As we show you what we can do, I did think many other things, I just can't alone because suppose one door close, you have a dead for hungry.
No.
You can't make one door close and you have a dead for hungry. So you have many jobs, many things.
Respect,
and
man.
many people too.
Just
many
like me. Rasta man. Aye.
Hello.
Yeah?
Watch me now. You have safe journey.
Yeah.
Watch the road.
Yeah.
And watch the road. I have some mad people out
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Every time.
Alright, big up.
One love.
So I deal with him, give him 3 feet 1, yeah?
Alright, ice.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, get here?
You one in there or no?
Now the back, it cover up.
Oh, no, the other side.
Alright guys, as you can see.
Packing and stacking, you know.
Yeah, so you know one journey is complete. So we're gonna head to Trenchtown now, you know, and put these up so we can start to put it back in tomorrow, you know, because we're gonna head to Miami River after.
Oh, the truck not locked. Yeah, man, lock between you, man.
Not lock, man.
Lock.
No, it shows it up.
No, see that it's a shoe on this.
Shoes and slam it down, you.
So I block it. Lock now. Alright guys, yeah, so as I said, we're gonna unpack these in Trenchtown and then let you know we're gonna head to Miami River to give Cranberry and the family some donations. So, you know, the journey never stops, you know, never stops. So guys, as I say, if you want to contribute towards the relief fund to help out, you know, you can always contact me. And I'm saying the GoFundMe link is also there, so we can also hit the target as well too. So we use Western Union, MoneyGram, Cash App or Zelle, you know, or any other way you can transfer. We got that lock, you know. So just contact and we just get the work done, you know. So we're just gonna we want to go there and highlight and see what the damage is as well too, you know, and see if anyone we can leave them contact information, or you guys can also give them a strength where it's also needed, you know, because you know we're a distance away, so it's not something that I'm gonna always can be there, you know, but trying to do our best, you know. So we give thanks and we appreciate our excellent family that donated on this cause, you know. Thank you so much. Show to our water.
Jesus, a church of Malta, come and left the back of the ice.
Yeah. So we're gonna leave the Trenchtown. So let's watch what I want. Can manage? Open?
Yeah, fuck up everything up the it.
Ah, bring that. Stop that. Bring that come. Tough.
I want to put them there some food.
Alright guys, so see the mission here. We bring up all the stuff them upstairs so we can get them sorted. Trust me, it was a mission to bring it all the way from down there to come all the way up here. You know, it was really a mission. You know, really a mission to bring up all these things. Flour, the rice, the water, the tin stuff, the mackerel, the sardines. You know, it was a mission to bring up everything, trust me. But we did it, you know. And as you can see, we start to pack some of them already inside here. You know, it was a mission. Whoa. Yes, sir. A more flour this. With a more flour. Oh, you put back in my bag?
Yeah, I just bag them and put them back in my bag.
Okay. You never think like that.
Let's say, put the two tables together with him.
Because tomorrow we'll come do all the bag, you know.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah. Get it out the way.
Just pray for the rain, man. Oh, you almost can.
Ah, guys, boy, I've been sweating. Wet. I'll bring it in there. Guys, you know the thing goes, you know, lie. That was a good workout, you know. So we breeze off liquor. And then we got head up a Mama River. I know the journey not stop. Yes, so if we can call alongside other food. Yeah.
This is a divine time.
Happy our time?
No, next one. 41 minutes.
That's what I said. So guys, so we just reached up by Mama River. Just reached here. Today been a long day. It's been a very long day, guys, trust me. But you know the work have to get done, and you know the thing goes already, so we're here with the team. Shayara! Guys, Shayara! Hey, Shayara! Mummy, I heard it was called cussing in. Why are you cussing? You know? Yeah. Don't worry, Mummy, you're gonna come, man, very soon. You know, because this was a 2-day trip was kind of different. Because it was downtown getting some stuff, and then, you know, because mom didn't want to come to Miami River. So because she not get for come now, she's cussing me. Don't worry, Mommy, I'm going to bring you on the next trip. You know, because she was left from town, as you can see, we'll buy the stuff them and everything, and then was like sitting down, cooling down because I was so soaked. So after that, just literally come by the river. So that's why we couldn't get to come for your mommy, no worry. But different trip, you know, so come on the next trip. You can come on the next trip, right? Your sister I got to change? Eh? Oh. Would I bring her right there? Yeah, so she can't. Yeah, look her river.
If the drop you put her on that mom afraid of.
No, when I bring her so far, fish it drop.
I'm gonna drop. You know, go put my pan. I say I'm gonna die. That's what man.
Yeah. No, put her upon it. I'm going the young ones them drop.
Never come with our
Can't go on to see the wilderness. No, but that's make you come at the front here, so and just go and relax. Yeah, she could have come right here, so. And bring 2 black to sit down upon. Meet again.
Are you will come up here, sir? Now?
You come up here?
Yeah, thank you. Are you will come up here, sir? Bring them up here, sir.
To find the spot.
Yeah. You come earlier though.
See the guys, them find the spot. See them there, them find the spot.
Brawling. Active.
Yeah, but general.
Data code.
Subscribe to one channel.
Data code.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Get on badness.
But you have to comment and think and watch yourself.
Don't worry yourself, man. We'll circle back on our time. Data code. Big up, yeah?
Yeah, man. Cool. So guys, so they find it, you know, themselves. They know they watch the program all the time, so them say they watch it and come here. I saw them at the airport the last time when they was coming in as well too. So them saying I'm gonna come to Miami River. So them come, but boy, Melissa just damage it, you know. Melissa damaged the river, boy. No way to truck off, nothing, no bags, nothing at all is here yet, how it used to. Esther, ease up across that stone there, Miguel.
Yeah, that's how they say Melissa put stone there.
Yeah, ease up. No walk here, sir. No walk here, sir. No walk here, sir. Whoa. No walk, Sharon. No walk here, sir. No, I mean, I said walk right there, so for that Miguel stone there to take right now. No, this me attack. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, go on, take it on. Easier right there, sir. Step cross. Yeah, the big one there. Wow. Wow. See the big stone of the water bring come. Yeah.
This never there.
No, this never there, sir. This wasn't here at even the big stone that was there, that gone as well.
That's not the new one.
A long time they put my foot in a river water. Long time. I forgot to rest my foot tonight. Cranberry and where my soul come to, no? I forgot to bless my foot first. It's been a while I haven't blessed my feet. In cold water. Woo! Long time I don't feel like cold water, yeah. Ash. Ash. Shayara, when last I put touch river water? Years. 2021.
I don't want no 25. Yeah, 20.
I have to make the feet touch the water.
They're on the stone now.
Yes, man. What?
I'm going to put this up for me. I'm going to stop off the drum. You say, all right, yes, that's easy. So me and balance, they come touch me. No. I don't say you're going to be no, it's pumpkins like what you say.
Yeah, you put, I guess, used to it one saying it. I thought the brothers cover the feet. Yeah. You have to rub off the heel back. Yeah. Get that heel back, rub off.
When Melissa get a stone and put a stone. She carved it out. But she put a stone and put it. She find a stone here. And for you, for me. I want to play regular stone.
I don't see no sign of Cranberry them. All the dogs them get scared from Melissa.
Yeah.
Usually hear the dog them a bark. Yeah, guys. Even the dog them get scared from Melissa pass through. Usually they hear the dog them barking. The dog them get scared, we don't even really see them again. You know? What is that? Yeah. Cranberry! Cranberry! I wonder if them reach home yet though. What time? 4 o'clock. Yeah. Alright, them are do extra class. Oh, them up there, man. Them there. Eh? Oh. Come here, Nana. Nana, go shop with our bag. You got your bag and go shopping. I like it here. Who doing? Oh. Where's Cranberry Tree? Shop. Who shop? Blackie? Oh, so them Sue come back down? You don't know? You have to call her. Where's Toko? Shop 2? You have to call him. Tell him to Akeynote call him. Because they're going to take long, right? So, call him. Go and call him for me. I'm coming up there. Your mother up there? Tell him I'm coming. One of them, probably whole chef. But you go for her? Yeah. So Esther mom came as well too, but she don't want to come out the car. So Esther said she's gonna go get her to come out the car so she can come, you know, look on the river, but not make sure walk come down this side, just to come at the front to get a view at the river. You know, just a little view at the river. Yes, today was an active day, you know, whenever you see me put on this, I mean business. This is my business thing, you know. Step out like a real businessman, a rapper, you know. Like a real businessman today, trust me. So it's been a while I've been sick by the river, you know, getting that stream, listening to that sound, tranquility, that peaceful noise, you know. It's been a while I haven't get that sound, so yeah. See the dogs them there, them get slim. Huh? Yeah. Imagine sitting down right here. The water does a beat. Just sit down right there. Look who's running coming.
One look would I get enough. I know I'm going to take a shot to the man that pull in a boat. And now I'm going to take a shot to the man that pull. One pull where the store stand, one look would I get.
I see you, Daddy.
What am I doing?
Wicked to me. Oh, me I come. I never come.
What do you mean I never come? I do come but I never soon, no?
When that?
I come and say that sleep. Nana, you never saw me come?
Go for that.
Where?
Uncle. Oh, that.
Who? She? My cousin.
Say what that is.
She not come, she cuss me. So I'm there to bring her, come I'm gonna bring her. But she would go up and now I bring her come home. Yeah?
Bring her come tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
You make her think so grandmother come. You know.
Look at here. Cranberry here? Not Cranberry, yes. You're nice, Cranberry.
You know, look at my with us and say I lie, Nana. Tell that.
You're nice, how do it?
The girl where you see.
Coco, you don't swim. I never have on a swimming cap.
She put you on.
See the wet up. You know, wear it. Don't say one.
No.
We're a whisper, say.
No, we are saying no.
We're a whisper. No, she doesn't look at me. Don't say that. For the swimming caps?
No, not that better.
Wow. Oh, and it's Daniela.
Daniela, come on, you call me. Are
you not call her?
Oh, And she not give me a number.
See her there, don't go say hello. Go say hello. Tyra, high five. High five. Toko. Give me some of your bag juice now. Put that finish. A bag juice that?
Yes.
It's a liquor. And let me see. Them cut it. Who cut it? At the shop? Who cut it? Oh. So that bag juice. Let me see this bag juice here. Is that new bag juice this?
No.
Or is some maga? This is some liquor one. I first see this one. Yeah. First time.
I'm tall.
Oh, at the tall one? Oh. Maya close me in a dog. Pick up my phone. Excuse. Excuse. Yeah, you up there as well? I will say mommy. We need to set up back the bags then. Nana. Which big stone? Where? Them stone there? I don't need a lot of stone. You're not gonna need a lot of stone. Trust me.
Okay, Daddy.
Nothing wrong.
What? If you never bring her tomorrow,
If what? What you say?
come back if you bring my granny.
Yes.
I'll teach her what I'm telling her.
Who?
I'll teach her what I'm telling her. If you don't let me move mother, I'm going to answer them.
What your granny yourself? What more granny you want?
20 mother want.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm going to bring her come soon.
When?
Soon and very soon. Come, I have one donation phone.
Oh, Daddy, I have a saving pan. Bamboo. So when they come here, I ask for saving too. Because they shall ask me, oh, I'm saving so far. So my mother tell me to save.
To spend the money when you save. There's no money in there, no, Nana?
No, $30 every week. We're going to put in
$30?
$100. No, you're not even start put $0 in. I like you to go by here and shake the pan.
Money in there now?
Yes. Our father come home even now and put silver in there.
Esther. Esther.
About she said one.
Esther now mother up there.
Mother?
Esther mother.
Esther mother.
Yeah, but she now come down here.
Yeah, go up there.
I'm going to say hello.
And Daddy, why you never been here, mother?
Go and say hello to Esther, mom.
Go on, yeah, come. Hey, Daddy.
What?
My mother. My granny tomorrow.
You hear that? Tell her, say granny come.
Grandma, come, we love you. Okay, come, grandparent, I need to come tell your granddaughter. I'm gonna come and sister, you put out it, you know.
Yeah.
I say, you put out the mother and if you come.
She soon come, man. She soon come. Go and say hello to Esther, mom. She don't want to come down here.
Come. That's the one I'm here. Where am I?
Left boom?
Yeah.
Go on.
How would I look at the woman about them?
You never ask?
Yeah.
What them say?
Our daughter.
Who for daughter?
The one who the church of here, so.
Okay.
So I say, my sister here, you're so much music, you know.
Me?
Yeah. Then should I bring your mother too?
We will see her soon.
Now Esther here say, then me come up here, and then me call. Then me here, she say, she call. Me tell them to wash your more for you see.
With a wash.
You see a bucket and something when I say
Make sure you keep your ear like that. And don't mess up your ear. Cover it.
With the swimming tap. Because you say before that we have big up cement. Watch that. When cement do we are.
Big up cement. You fire up there?
It ain't gone. See that now, man. See that now. Nice.
I'm turning the radio. Charge your farmland. So the daddy is farming. Now the pop chore this, huh?
Yeah.
You don't put ants powder in there? Yeah, because the ants them. I'm going to eat out that. I saw me grow some whole heap of pop chore in the country too, you know. Whole heap. You want to see them come out? Some pop chore the daddy are growing, you know, so. Oops. So the daddy are going to eat healthy, you know. Maya drop Tara. See, I'm going to plant out some more of these sides. You know, so. Yeah. You not eat any? Why? Pop chore nice, you know. It's good for you. You got to eat pop chore to Tara? Hey Tara, pop chore nice. Pop chore and callaloo together. And me for plant callaloo too.
Callaloo they
Mm-hmm.
two of them.
So you can see I do some clearing out to just do some farming right here and done. Might as well, you know. So the view. This is the wilderness, guys, the wilderness. So a lot of planting can go on these sides. Seems like in plant, what's that, banana tree?
Yeah.
Oh, so you have some banana shoot right there.
Banana.
And right down there as well, to my banana. As well.
No, don't get so, and a
Right here, sir?
Watch out.
The Rasta man.
Oh, the Rasta man.
Watch out.
Oh. Oh, don't pull it out.
Pop it out.
A pop show.
Pop chow.
Holy papa.
Chow.
We're not going to eat a lot of pop chow. Pop chow and dumpling. Pop chow and banana. Pop chow nice, you know. You like it?
Yeah, me like it.
Yeah, pop chow nice.
All around me eat it, you know.
Yeah.
Like put little salt and the last time I'm hungry, me eat pop chow, cut the potato and lettuce.
Pop chow nice.
Cut it up and put it in hot water and eat it. So wash off the lettuce and eat it.
Come go give me this donation because I'm not gonna stay too long.
So when you come back that day? Friday. Friday, I'm a father and stuff. Ice cream. One grave.
It's grave.
Almost got a drummer son.
Almost?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ice cream. No, but that's not the promise.
The promise there?
Yes. The day when you go here, I stop and give you something that right at Trinidad.
I'm tired of the promise.
No, daddy. That's a lie. Me asked and I said that you can't buy my ice cream for Sunday. So when I come back, my daughter. I don't come back the day.
You come back with a sleeve.
Oh, lie. That is lie.
You come back, you were sleeping. Let her pop show.
Kina, we're not sipping ice
This man end up went up there, so but we end up telling me for to go the rest of them. The rest of the pop show them.
Oh, he's a holy man. I the seed when I get
The seed, the pork.
the park, right? Tara! Maya, let go, Maya drop.
Tyra, let go. Let go.
Alright guys, so
Tyra.
I got a donation I'm gonna drop off so I can head on. Yeah? Rasta, you see. Like me here. Like me here. Rasta. I'm here, man. See there?
No, you put out the ear for inside.
No, man, here the outside.
Come here.
I see him from that.
Yeah.
That's can't hold nothing.
19 at Tyra's birthday. See that?
The 19th of this month?
Yeah. Yeah, see him.
I can't see him.
I like that.
Even tie up on if you had an iPhone.
Cause she take
My
it out
phone
now.
every the last time she took a tire money out of my pan. Out of me and took a pan.
Oh, Cranberry.
Yeah.
I want to make that.
Georgie. Chaddy make one for them, but that one is too small.
One create something. Just can't hold
I'm
much.
mad at him and carry him.
You can't hold much.
Make two for Tyra show you for your one.
Tara.
Me I go for my one, me and talk for one. Kino see me and talk for one and tie one there.
I will Tara putting off your one.
Silver.
Fila.
Tyra one more. That's supposed
That's me and talk
Oh, that one is heavy.
the heavy one a Tyra one.
A Tara one is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tyra, I'm father.
So Tara have so much money.
Bring one silver and put it in a fair one.
Oh, that's why.
And today I'm going to save that time too. Father and Tyra save for mommy and Candy save for me. Get this car mommy money for me and put it in. Don't put in daddy money in there. Just Georgie fix that. And then you go tell
I've
Georgie.
changed it in a kinds. Can't mind the paper.
She have €100 in there.
My 100 in there. Daddy say $100.
Daddy, I will say something to them to me when I come to know.
Alright, so I have two donations here for Cranberry and the family. So Ken, come through. For Cranberry, so first we have $4,000 here for you from Mikey from London. 4,000 from Mikey from
London. Thank you so much, and make a full basket.
Never
ending. And may God bless you.
Mikey from London, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make a full basket never ending.
Mikey from London, make a full basket never be empty.
Oh, you know.
Mikey.
You pick up that.
Mikey.
Yeah.
Mikey never make a food basket never empty.
Alright. That's the Mikey.
Food basket empty.
What are you eating?
Bula.
No, put that in there.
Not in this.
No.
I get one different one will work more good.
Yeah, at the moment them probably changing and them thing. Alright, so we have another donation here from Sharon from New York. Yeah, this is
Sharon from New York, thank you so much, and may God bless you.
You have a wonderful day.
So this is for the Cranberry family. So this is 29,000 from Sharon from New York.
And tell me what me get me come.
Mommy, remember my saving pan.
Sharon
from New York,
thank you so much, and may God bless you and make you have a wonderful Christmas, and all of the viewers have a wonderful Christmas before it even come. I forgot to say it, and a happy new year.
Alright. So how much are the ice creams? How much Oh, 2 beers.
2 beers. Kina.
How much are the 6 I don't know?
Yes.
Alright. Kina 6. 6.
Mommy, we'll go by Kina.
Yes.
Before you forgot, remember someday when she did say when she had bought me overseas?
Oh, the lady overseas? Oh.
Before I
say your father say yeah?
Yeah. But you have to change your mind.
Yeah, change your mind?
No. You
Me?
You ask him and him say no.
Him say no.
We think if you talk to him, it's the more talk.
Yes.
No, I mean, I say, I lie, we are telling. So him say, when Kino come.
And him watch the video.
Yeah.
I know, so
If the man come down, if the man say no, the man not like him daughter.
Me want go if him say, my mother, alone.
I want to change the school where I come from. I want to change where family.
Alright, so talk about the ice creams. You keep the money for the ice cream.
No.
I talk about the ice creams. So,
She not gonna argue it.
Toko, you buy everyone an ice cream, okay, Toko? So everybody get an ice cream.
Thank you, Kino, and may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
Them have been practicing.
Thank you, Kino. Thank you, Sir Kino, and may God bless you. You have a wonderful day. Last week Sunday, I'm going to get ice cream.
Yes, he gets ice cream.
No.
What is your problem, miss?
You know.
Yeah.
What?
The start the welcome. You're not going there.
Of course, make a day.
Guess what? Malang just book page with.
Much.
About
3.
On the gun, so I no come down. No come down, man, job. Alright, man, I'll go in now. Cranberry, don't worry, you get it soon. Okay?
Bye. Kino, we are come back here.
Buy ice cream before late.
Yeah.
Mama don't follow Kino because we want to see Kino. Mother.
Look at Kino, my dad.
Kino.
Yeah. My mother never come up here, but I bring her come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
That Kino love so.
Tomorrow. Me a come.
And he said he might come.
We are school.
Yeah.
We are going to school and we are come back. We are at 6 o'clock.
I like. A lawyer. Don't worry, man. If it's not tomorrow, it's Friday. We're definitely one of these
Make
days.
sure you bring my aunt, my grandmother.
Grandmothers.
Alright, don't worry, man. I'm going to bring her for you.
Look at this. Mommy, I'm going to look for Esther, mother.
Is the mother from?
Yeah.
Shut the road.
Shut the road.
No, Jam, if you go down the road now, I remember.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So we give thanks to Sharon. Thank you, Sharon, for the donation, for the family. And also Mikey. Well, thank you as well for the donation also, for the family.
Me I say the dog white nose Sunday and the dog come straight in the pot and take out the meat, the mountain.
And Kino, my papa is sat there. The dog just say you did there. The dog all of the bread I'm not to eat everybody. The
Oh, white nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, white nose is very rude. I'm not like, guys, see the dog white nose is very unruly. And just come and just take away everything.
Daddy, our father food.
Daddy, big
box of food in
there. Say two. And it finished.
I like it.
No, this is not
I don't hear that. Let me hear that.
No, Kino, that is not your ear.
In Marathi.
Me a Rasta. No, I'm not Rasta. I'm one of the Arabs then.
Kino, a trial is below.
Round the below.
Kino, what
Pick
you?
up.
Yeah, it's fence, them use and stand by.
So you can swim now, jump up and swim.
Yeah, Kino.
But around there, everyone I go right now, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they got around there going.
So them really come on the end of the week, like Saturday and Sunday, say really full.
Yeah, but during the week.
Yeah, you see
Saturday.
people come.
But nobody around it now.
Yeah. Don't worry, because a long time I don't swim.
A long time I don't eat your food.
Don't it?
Daddy want food tomorrow.
You know what's dumpling?
No, what's dumpling?
Yeah.
No. My mother said, Kino, we're going to go up and cook. My mother come for cook for you.
Where? Tomorrow?
No.
Same area. Kino, not back in me. Me shut the clothes.
When my son have school, I'm going to come home 6 o'clock.
No, another time of school.
So Friday.
Friday over early.
See me here, though? Yes, sir.
I'm not going to school Friday.
But we have excellent
Because
school.
me shut the clothes.
Okay. Alright, so we're coming for going now because Esther mom is out there, so we don't want to keep her too late on the road. Yeah, Ken.
Soccer.
Later. Yeah.
Yeah.
guys. Alright then. The guy say no, I don't want to stay too late. I just want to go buy the ice cream down the road.
Look at money, I'm follow you up like a big one.
Yeah.
Remember, look at man, 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cream and I go buy. Eh?
Cannot talk to him because he might act like a big man.
He might act like a big man. He's supposed to act like a big man.
But he's
right, Tara?
a big man. He's just in a 7th grade.
Yeah. He name little man, but he's a little big man.
No, he was a little baby.
A little big man, right, Tara? He's a little big man.
No.
Why you want your one? Give him 200.
$200.
So you know, so him not get no ice cream, no buy food or ice cream. Him buy what him want to buy.
Yeah, he might straight up with his best friends.
Yeah. Down the road, down the road, down the road. Yeah. I love you too. Yeah?
Excuse me, Tata. Come here, Daddy.
What is it?
You know, Daddy. I'm going to tell mother some love you and she never believe you.
Yeah, I love you too.
When your mother, when my granny come to my yard, you know, see your daughter big.
Alright guys, so basically, you know, so I'm saying for all the new viewers and that new to the program, you know, this is a family that we've been helping out through our extended family and everything, you know, so, you know, we call them Cranberry and family, you know, because that's Cranberry there, as you can see, you know, so she called me Daddy from the first time we've been coming up here, you know, because our biological father, you know, passed away, you know, when she was 3 years old. You know, so she literally grew up without her biological father. So the next kids then, Charlie is their father, you know, but she never brought up with any. You know, so I've been coming up here, you know, helping them and everything, you know, and give them some needs and everything. And she actually always called my father, you know, and called me Daddy. So no, I'm not her biological father. Her biological father passed away when she was 3 years old. You know, so. So you know, that's how we treat the kids then. Come Tara, come.
Ice cream.
Oh, I'm you ready? How are them gone? Them gone? Tara, come across it. Come Tara. Oh, it's a drop. Come.
Them want to buy for lunch every time. Cornflakes.
Cornflakes?
Yeah.
Sakari, a drop.
I'm here to follow about her and then drop.
Can't never push you that follow she, eh?
Mama River.
Not far away.
Cheers. River. So you can come and cook, see me. Yeah. Well, I can meditate. Well, I meditation vibe. Oh, when the gates. Mind the old Tara. Huh? Yeah.
I hear me and want to show me as a cranberry. Go, me the coffee. But it's what? So yeah, Esther come to or Esther drive our car?
She drive.
Must.
Alright guys, so time for us to head in. Head back down into Trenchtown. White Nose, you unruly dog. You, Mr. White Nose, gonna take out the water of them chicken yesterday. White Nose going to the house and take away the chicken with them a cook. That dog, him always been doing that. It's not the first. The last time we buy a KFC and everybody get them chicken. And Tara was sitting down with hers. And the dog just run and take with Tara one while she's sitting down and run off. And just goes and grab it, ash, and then run. Like that dog. Oh, the work still going up there, so? Yeah. At least the work still going. Alright then, later, look on man. Look more. High five. Sarah. Yeah, rich. Oh, I boom there. Oh. Go for a young time, like. Like little girl. And a big tough foot one now. No like
Boy, can't chat too far.
Cranberry.
Later. Alright guys, so you know the thing though, so we're there, strap team with the team, boom there. Wow chef a yarn and 30 grand.
130 grand.
Wow chef a yarn.
We're sure on a fireside right now.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.